Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will be learning shortcuts of Emmet plugin that we already mentioned at the beginning of the Bootstrap with brackets, but we didn't use in the project. So Emmet is used for time saving for the developers to be able to use HTML and CSS shortcuts. After we integrated the Emmet plugin, let's try. Write div here, just div dot, and it will create a div, and the dot, it will create a class. When we hit tab on the keyboard, it will rearrange the code based on HTML and CSS rules. As you see, we can continue inside this div, write 1, 2, or more than 1 classes. Just write 1 class or 1 dot 2 dot call dash md dash 6 and hit tab. Now you see how quickly we can create a div and add 3 different classes. Let's see some other examples. Write an unordered list code ul greater sign li list item. If you push tab, as you can see, it will automatically edit the codes, but this is not what we want. We want more than one list item. For this, write multiply for 5 and press tab. As you see now, we have 5 list items, but we also want some text inside list items. For this, write like this here, open a scope after a li tag and write the text. Write anything here. For example, try it, and at the end of the line press tab. As you can see, all list items take the text. Let's try another way. Clear the list and create another ul greater than li dot to add a class call dash md dash 3 multiply by 4 to be equal to 12 and press tab. Okay, but this is still not what we want. If we add a dollar sign after md, here and press tab, this is also wrong. It counts but still wrong. As you can see, it counts like 1 2 3 4, but let's delete 3 here and write a dollar sign instead of it and press tab to see what happened. As you can see, okay, let's develop this example a little more. Add scopes after dollar sign and write menu 1, or add $2 to make it count also. delete one and add $2 here. Press tab to see. As you see, it is fine. If we want more than 4 items, we can change. Let's make it 10 and see. Okay, now let's try some other tags like buttons, inputs, URLs, passwords. For example, write input for search, input and semicolons, write search and press tab. If you want, you can fill the ID and the name of the input. See you on